Hi guys, welcome back to Caramia's Corner. Join me today for some Happy Mail unboxing. And today I have a special guest, my dear daughter, Emmy. Say hi.
Hi!
So today we are bringing you a little bit of Happy Mail that we received in the mail for Emma, or Emmy as I call her. It's called Kit for Kids. Now this package came from a local company that has subscription kits for letter writing called One Per Week. And I've been following her Instagram for quite a while. I love her layouts for her letters and her postcards. So she had recently posted that her partners and herself had put a kit together for kids and they were giving it for free. One packet for free for each family. And when we were checking out, she didn't even charge for shipping and handling, and I thought that was super sweet. Especially in a time like this where things are uncertain. She just wanted to make a difference and help out, bring a little joy. So let's get into this, Ems. Are you excited? So I'm going to open it from here and we'll use the scissors if, I think we might have to. I don't want to tear that up. So I'm going to use our handy dandy scissors. I just want to make sure I'm not cutting anything in there. I will put their link in the description box if you guys, I'm not sure if she is making any more of these kits, but I know she did say that they are considering putting together a few more. So if you have kitties in the family and would like to see, so Emma, why don't you pull the first item you feel in there?
It feels kind of like a sack or something.
Okay, so she pulled out, oopsie, look at this. It came in a pouch, but I think there's a letter. Let's see what the letter is first. Would you like to pull that? Okay, so just to show you, this is what it came with. These are all the partners that contributed to all the items that we'll be seeing in here today. So we have all the names here, so if you'd like to look it up. And here it has a beautiful little note from Lori, and it says, "Thank you for sharing the love of pen and paper with your family. I hope you enjoy. Everyone enjoys this kit for kids and sends more Happy Mail." Thank you, Lori. Please note, as it mentions on the website, only one kit for families. So keep that in mind. If you do go on her website, it is one kit per family. That's so awesome. So now we are going to unzip this, Emmy, and pull out one item at a time.
Okay,
What do we have here? How adorable. Let me pull our camera in closer so we can see what's in there. And what's the next one we have?
It's like a dog. It's a beagle
dog. And I love that they are embroidered patches and they're sticker patches that you can attach. And look at this.
I'm excited to use them.
What does it say?
Friends.
How adorable. So you can decorate and customize your tag.
Says, "Thanks."
How cute.
Oh, it's an owl. It's a little owl.
Oh, that's like your school mascot. So we'll show, let's see, smiley faces. Oh, how adorable. So that's how you use the brad. So we're going to show them how to use these as well.
Oh,
and you can attach them with that.
A bunch of tags.
Yeah, so here, let's get one of these tags. And if we have a smiley face, I don't know if
you can put
this, yeah, we can try. So try putting it, yeah. Put that. Let's see if it goes through.
Oh, it went through.
So then the next thing you do is
you just like
split that part.
Pull these out.
Got it?
Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah. So you just split that part?
Split that part.
And you got a smiley face.
We got a smiley face, and you can write your friend's name on it in a tag. How adorable. And there's also a little tree charm in a variety of these wonderful, colorful brads. So we're going to put these aside and see what else is in the pouch. But look at this wonderful variety of items that Lori and her partners included. I'm just going to push this to the side. Yeah. All right, let's pull out the next item.
Pouch too.
So pull one at a time. What is this?
It's a marker.
So it is called the Zig Fabric Color, permanent on fabrics after ironing. Awesome! So you could do this on your shirt if you'd like to put a little phrase or saying.
If I have like a white t-shirt or something, I could like make my
Right.
own t-shirt.
And look at this. We have a like paintbrush nib there, and then we have the regular nib on the other side. And I love the color. Do you like the color?
I like the color. It's a really
I love
nice.
that it says twin. So you have our fine and our brush nib over there. Now let's look at the next one.
Doo-doo-doo. It's another one.
Whoa!
It's like a purplish color. I like that color.
So we got two. We have the same one. They're twins and they have two. That is so awesome, Ems. So you have these two. Let me just show them what we have so far. And our next item.
Our next item is...
Ooh, what is this?
It's inside like this little envelope.
They have it in this adorable, looks like wax paper envelope. The packaging is adorable. I mean, she took so much time to
Trying
put
rip it.
these kits together. Oh my gosh, this is perfect, Em. Since you're mailing out your stuff, she's included. What is that? Open it. Let's have a look and see what she's opening here.
Ooh, I don't want to miss it. It's like nice. I like the...
I know, it's really nice. It's wax paper. And Emmy's just taking it out. It's a forever stamp, it looks like. And it's kickball.
Kickball.
So this is a 2017 forever stamp, a kickball. We have another one in the succulent. What else do we have here?
There's like some balloons and stars here.
Beautiful.
Oh, and these
Aw.
say thank you.
Those are so
Thank
sweet,
you.
yeah.
And then there's like 3 more. So 5 of them.
That's awesome. We'll put it right there.
Aw.
What is that?
It's a duction.
Let's open the packet. It looks like it's open on this
might
side,
be
so
like
why
a-
don't you
I
go
think there's a
ahead
few
and
more.
pull them one at a
Here.
time? Or is it it's a one pack? Oh, it's a card set. How adorable, guys.
It's a little card. I love
So let me
that
just
so
see
much.
who the card's by. On the back, it is by Driscoll Design. How adorable are these? These are perfect for little cards for your gifts. So Emmy, that's a dog. She loves dogs.
I
By the
love
way,
so
she's a
much.
dog lover. So now we're gonna get the next item here.
It is.
Yeah, this is the business card from One Per Week, and here's Lori's information. So if you'd like to check it out again, I'll put the link below. So super excited to share this with you. Next, whoa,
Ooh.
what do we have?
It's like an envelope with the piece of paper. It's
Wow,
like a little...
little postcard
Yeah.
style. Comes with an envelope, and guess what? You got your markers. You got some stickers here. You can definitely
You got like your full set. To
yeah,
like,
to
make stuff.
decorate it. Yes. And next one.
Ooh,
Oh
it's a
my
card.
goodness.
Hitch your wagon to a star. It says.
Oh, and that is the name of the artist. Look at this. So this is by Carpe Diem Papers. Awesome.
I really like this mint color on the
It is
envelope.
beautiful.
It's really pretty.
I love that. And guess what? You can also dress this up with something else if you'd like. Like put something in there. Okay, what's your next item? There is, I mean, guys, there is so
There's a lot.
many here.
Miss you.
Oh,
that's good
that's
for
a good-
like I could send that to like one of my friends and like yeah because
yeah, miss you.
and like it's kind of symmetrical.
And it has spring theme too. So let's see what the card looks in. I love that it's blank, so you can put whatever message you want. And it comes with an envelope. So this one is by Bloom Wolf Studio Paper Goods, and they have their website here. How adorable is this card? Our next one.
Next
That's
is
a lot of cards.
ooh, it's a
Oh, postcard.
with a bunch of flowers on it.
Right, and see, you can learn about different flowers as well. Beautiful illustrations of these wildflowers, and this postcard is made by Lou Paper. How awesome is that? These were all donated to, these are all the partners again that donated all these items for these kits for kids.
It looks like another postcard.
Another postcard. I love the black and white feel to this one as
And
well.
it's like shelves.
Aw, that's
And like there's
cute.
a bit of like wood kind of.
Yeah, the wood grain. Now let's see all my favorite things, and it says this bookcase highlights all my favorite things: my books, my husband's snail mail and supplies. And check out some of the titles, they're all good. So there's some titles here that she listed. That's super awesome. So I'm gonna put that there. Let's see, I think there are a few more in here.
Oh, it's a sheep. I love sheep.
And what does it say?
It says,
You rock. That's adorable. And he has some really rad, like shades, like an earring on his ear and a bandana. That is too cute. Let's see what's inside. It's a blank card with, again, a wonderful matching envelope. So I think we have a couple more items. That's a lot of cards.
Oh, this one has like a nice pattern on the front.
Yeah.
And I like the envelope for this one.
You like that? It's a craft paper.
I like a craft paper envelope.
This, did we say whose this was? This is by Amy Hakeman. So this is illustration and paper design. And then this next one is Olive and Company. It's handmade paper goods. Beautiful. Really nice. And then it looks like
It looks
few
like
more.
There might be
one more
thing left.
Wow.
It's a mermaid this time.
Do you like it?
I like it.
That is gorgeous.
And here's a jellyfish.
That's beautiful. And this one again is by the same company, Olive and Company. What a beautiful gift. A little kit for, are you excited to write your letters?
I'm excited.
Today? I love the fact that this also came with a pouch where Emmy can put everything in there. And so whenever she wants to write, we're going to be working on some spring mail, and she's going to be mailing it off to her friends. Again, here are some of the partners for Kit for Kids, and I'll put the website down below if you'd like to see it. Emmy, are you ready to write some letters?
I am ready. I'm excited.
Again, guys, thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. We hope you are all doing well, and this really inspired me. I'm going to prepare a few little kits that we'll be including with our letters, and we'll be mailing it off to some of Emmy's friends so that they can write back. And we'll be including some stamps as well. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time.
Bye.